Hello, I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy and safe. Today, we're talking about a simple and very easy pastry recipe. It's a great chance to try something new in the kitchen and enjoy a wonderful result. And don't forget to support us by subscribing to the channel and liking the video, so we can continue to provide more unique recipes. In a bowl, we add a cup of liquid milk, a cup of water, and half a cup of oil. Then we add a tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and a tablespoon of vinegar. After that, we add 2 cups of flour and mix the ingredients well to blend. Then we let it rest for half an hour. Afterward, we add 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder, and we mix the ingredients and knead them to get a cohesive dough. Then we let it ferment for at least an hour. When the dough is ready, we divide it into small parts to make it easier for us to shape the forms simply. All ingredients will be listed in the description box in Arabic, French, and English. Tous les ingrédients seront répertoriés dans la boîte de description en arabe, en français et en anglais. When you're ready to shape the dough, first make sure that the dough is ready and well inflated from fermentation. Then, you can start dividing it into small parts to make it suitable for the shape you want to make. As for the shapes, there are different shapes you can make with the dough, like circles, cylinders, or wavy shapes. The most important thing is to make sure that the shapes are symmetrical and of equal size so that they take an equal time to cook. Cooking time and temperature. After you finish shaping the dough, you need to preheat the oven to an appropriate temperature before putting the dough in it. Usually, the oven temperature is between 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. The cooking time varies depending on the type of sweets or pastries you're making. Typically, small pastries like cookies require less cooking time than cakes or large pastries. Some may need 10 to 15 minutes, while others may need 20 to 30 minutes. Therefore, it's essential to keep track of the cooking time and check the sweets regularly to ensure that they are evenly browned and not burnt. By following these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of pastry making. With practice and a little patience, you'll soon be creating bakery-worthy pastries that will impress family and friends alike. So roll up your sleeves, preheat that oven, and get ready to bake up a storm of delicious delights.